Hello students, welcome back. In this module, we are introducing Cartesian coordinates and polar coordinates. If you have an xy plane with you and you have a point P whose coordinates are x and y, and I can say the horizontal distance is x, vertical distance is y. So I can say the Cartesian coordinates of point P are x and y. You have an r, so by Pythagoras theorem I can say that r square is equal to x square plus y square. So r would be equal to root of x square plus y square. Now if you assume an angle theta in between x and r, so by applying sine theta, which is nothing but y by r, by applying cos theta, it would be x by r, and by tan theta, it would be y by x. So I can say that the sine, cos and tan are the values in x, y and r respectively. Now a point of origin is always called as pole. On x-axis is always called as the initial ray or the polar axis. This r bar is always the radius vector. Also, there is a vectorial angle. That angle in between the initial ray and the radius vector is nothing but the vectorial angle. So for polar coordinates, what you require is the radius vector and the vectorial angle, which are represented by r and theta respectively. So moving ahead with the relation between Cartesian and polar coordinates. For simplicity, Cartesian always are present in x and y, and the polar coordinates are always present in r and theta. So this is the relation which you have. Apart from this, if you have Cartesian coordinates with you and you require the polar coordinates, that is r and theta, so how would you find them? We know that r is equal to root of x square plus y square, but we are only aware about the tan theta, which is y by x, but you require theta. So in that case, theta would be tan inverse of y by x. So I can say when you have Cartesian coordinates are being given to you and you require the polar coordinates, that is x and y are given to you, you require r and theta. So the relation is r is equal to root of x square plus y square and theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Now vice versa, if you have the polar coordinates with you, that is you have r and theta, you require Cartesian coordinates as x and y. What is the relation? You know cos theta is x by r. So x is r cos theta. You know sin theta is y by r. So y is r sin theta. So here is the relation in between them, that x is r cos theta, y is r sin theta. Thank you.